Okay, what is the theory of karma? It's related to justice. It's a theory of cause and effect that is unrelated to justice and injustice. Get right out of the book. We might have some preconceived idea that it's a principle of justice or a moral principle. At least as we've got it here, it ain't. What force produces rebirth in Buddhism? That's going to be thirst. Third noble truth is Nirodha, cessation. What is the thing that dies within an arahant at his death? What's it consist of? It's going to be the being, composed of 5 aggregates. That thing is no longer there. That doesn't mean that the arahant has gone out of existence, but that being is no longer there. Here, no thinker behind the thought, because it is the thought that thinks. That's right out of the book. It's an interesting claim. Some people have thought that the thought itself can't think, that we need a thinker back there thinking. What? Okay, fourth noble truth, Magga. 2 qualities, wisdom and compassion. Problems lurking, should we cultivate one but not the other? Different problems, depending on which we don't cultivate. Here, at least we have this claim that Buddhism is unique compared to other religions because it denies the existence of the soul. Maybe that's wrong, but we certainly have that claim in the book. And I don't know, I'm thinking of trying to think of any others that do. 2 ideas deeply rooted in man, self-preservation, self-protection. Again, right out of the book there. Doctrine of anatta. It's a result of the doctrine of 5 aggregates and conditioned genesis. That's right. I guess you might need both because we've got the 5 aggregates, but if they were stable and unchanging, then there would be a stable, unchanging self. So it's the combination that this being is composed of the 5 aggregates, and those things never stay the same. They're constantly changing. Okay, 2 kinds of truths. We get conventional and ultimate. Conditioned genesis means that everything is relative and interrelated. I myself have a certain question about that claim. Everything is relative and interrelated. I guess that claim itself is relative truth, something like that, and looks like it's being put forward as a non-relative truth. I don't know, but that's right out of the book there. Okay, principle that people have free will, central to Buddhist teaching. Nay, there's actually explicit denial of any robust doctrine of free will, really any conception of free will. That might raise all kinds of questions, but that at least is pretty clearly stated in the book. Okay, 2 kinds of understanding. Here we discuss knowing accordingly and penetration. Okay, that's false. 2 extremes are not those of liberalism and conservatism. So here we get this comparison to a lotus pond. Some are above the line of the water, others below, all at some kind of level of development or other. Here, well-known synonym for nirvana is freedom. I gave you a little hinterusky there, and also bid you be free, which I guess that would be synonymous with bidding you finding your nirvana. Okay, so that's a quick rundown, but hopefully that's helpful.